Inviting clients takes place in Needles. First, confirm with the client that you have their correct email address and mobile number in the Party tab. Email is required, and if they have a mobile number, they can receive text message notifications. It's best to introduce the client to the portal during your initial client call after the case is assigned to case management. Using a script like this sets the expectation for the client and gets them to confirm their account. After our call, you'll receive an email invitation to access our client portal. We'll use the portal to exchange messages, share files, and send you updates about your case. Once you log in, send a message through the portal to let me know that you've logged in successfully. A special checklist item with code @CP has been added to Needles that's used to invite clients. To invite a client on an existing case, add the @CP checklist item to the list. Mark the @CP checklist item as done and save. The client will receive an email inviting them to the portal and a text message if they have a mobile number listed on the Party tab. After clicking the link, your client is prompted to create their own password. Once complete, they're taken to their case activity feed where they see a welcome message from the firm. When your client signs into their account for the first time, you'll receive a Needles message letting you know that they have confirmed their account. Also, the @CP checklist item gets updated to say confirmed, so you can see if a case has a confirmed portal user.